is me, RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. It's time for tip of the week today, and I have Dawson with me. I wanted to show you guys, a lot of people ask how guys get the volume and the dry look, but yet it kind of pieces out. So I wanted to hurry and show you a tip on how to do that. Dawson has texture in his hair, so that really helps. Then I'm going to blow dry it. It's damp now, so it's not soft and wet and it's not dry, so it's damp. So just make sure it's damp. Then, look this way. Okay, then you're just going to dry this up with your hands. Just kind of come this way, lift your hair up. Okay, so we're obviously not going to leave it that way, but I'm just going to show you how to dry it up. So when you're done drying, you know, it should stand up like this. We're obviously not going to leave it that way. Then I'm going to take a fingertip of the clay. Okay, then you just rub it in your fingers really good, and then you come up this way. Okay, then turn, sorry, and then you guys can just see I'm kind of pulling this forward a little bit. Okay, now turn this way. Sorry, Dawson. So you can have this kind of come forward and then just have this up. Okay. All right, there you have it. Let's see. All right, looking good, fella. Okay, so that's how you can kind of get it to stand up. Just use that blow dryer, and then you can take the clay and piece it out and kind of up. So you also can hairspray after you're done if you want. But anyway, that is a good tip on how to get volume in a guy's hair for that style of the up and over kind of look. So anyway, you guys, thanks for jumping on for tip of the week. Again, watch for our videos next week and the tip of the week next Saturday. And we appreciate all of your support. And please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll talk to you later. See ya.